Outwardly, Matrix is a good cosmopolitan without bright national features, but inside, a typical American. In deep wells, devices with red illumination. Digitization of the speedometer is double, miles and kilometers. And here are some more overseas features. Mandatory power accessories and cruise control, the absence of ashtrays, a primitively simple climate control, an air conditioner button and 3 knobs without any automation. But there are 3 12V sockets, in the trunk, under the front cover, under the armrest and on the center console. A rarity is an AC socket with the power of 100W, however, with a voltage of 115V. The cabin allows 4 to travel comfortably. There is no head restraint for the middle passenger. The range of adjustment of the front seats is very large. The back of the right front seat can serve as a table. The backs of the second row, when folded, form a flat floor at the level of the rear bumper. True, the loading height is too big. When driving, Matrix is a solid, light, dynamic car with good feedback on the steering wheel and comfortable grippy brakes. Some stiffness of the suspension pays for decent handling. Accelerating dynamics, even with the gun, will suit many citizens. Well, the most powerful modification, XRS, will appeal to those who like to pull the gear knob and get a tangible result. Good is not sought from good. Having a reliable, comfortable, and refined chassis, you can reduce the cost of developing models that meet the requirements of different markets. The Matrix is a prime example. This is a Japanese car, but designed to meet the requirements of modern Americans, who are increasingly switching to relatively compact and economical cars. Toyota Matrix has been produced in Canada since 2002. In 2002 to 2004 in parallel, its clones descended from the assembly line, the Pontiac Wide for the New World and the right-hand drive Toyota Volts for Japan. In 2006, a small restyling was carried out, which affected the front bumper and interior details. Configuration options: engines 123.132 or 181 liters, with a manual or automatic transmission, front or four-wheel drive, and 3 interior trim options. In our secondary market, Toyota Matrix, despite its high cost, is quite popular. At first there were big problems with spare parts, especially body parts. Now the waiting period is about a month. Maintenance and repair prices are average.